Hello learners, welcome to the new session of Success Mantra. This is Adarsh Vili and today uh, we are going to discuss about the most used conjunctions in ICSE board during the last 10 years. And as you all know that this is a compulsory question in grammar section, and here the question comes like join the following sentences without using and, but, or, so, and this question carries 5 marks. Now in this session we are going to discuss about how to attempt this question and what is conjunction, how to gain marks, how marks are deducted, and how to overcome general weakness while we are attempting this question related to conjunctions. So let's start with the topic. Okay learners, let's get started with the topic, that what is conjunction. Now as far as conjunctions are concerned, conjunction is a word that joins together words, phrases or clause. They are of 4 kinds. So conjunctions are of 4 kinds, and conjunctions are basically used to join words, phrases and sentences. So starting with the coordinate conjunction, coordinating, it is known as coordinating conjunction, such as and, but, or, because, until, if. All these are known as the coordinating conjunction. Then we have correlative conjunctions. The words such as either or, neither nor, such as, not only, but also, such that, all these are known as the correlative conjunctions. Students, see the third point, that is known as the sentence connectors. Now take for example, just uh, as, so, whether, or, so, though, yet, such that, hardly, when. All these are known as the sentence connectors because they are connecting the sentences. Then at the fourth point we have got the subordinating conjunctions. Take for example, the first, that is a simple conjunction, such as before, while, because, if, that and as. For example, you can take we eat that we may live, and I love her because she is honest. And in the B part we have the compound conjunctions such as soon as long as, on condition that. And the example, as soon as he saw the thief, as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. He may go on the condition that he returns on time. So all these are termed as the compound conjunction. Now see the C point in this, that is correlative conjunction, such as not only but also, no sooner than, scarcely when. And the examples are, no sooner did the bell ring than the boys left the class. And another example, he is not only honest but also sincere. Now we come to the D point, that is known as the relative pronouns as subordinating conjunctions. So relative pronouns can also be used as subordinating conjunctions. So here the examples are who, whose, whom, which, that, whatever, whoever, whichever. For example, this is the boy who won the prize. Then we have relative adverbs which can be used as subordinating conjunctions. So the relative pronouns which can relative adverbs which can be used as subordinating conjunctions are when, where, whenever, and the example is, and here the example of relative adverb is give me a call whenever you come. So learners, I hope that it is clear to you that what conjunction is. Now the next question is that how to gain marks in this question. That is also very important, that how to gain marks in this question. Now to gain marks we have to follow the given instructions, and we have to have the thorough knowledge of the use of conjunctions and constructing grammatically correct sentences and by using appropriate conjunctions can be the way to gain marks in this section. Now, how marks are deducted in this section? Marks are deducted for not following the given instructions or making grammatically incorrect sentences, and do not use and, but, or so, which is already given in the instruction that we don't have to use and, so, or but. So if you follow this, surely you are going to gain marks in this section. Now students, we have come to the most awaited part of this video session, that is about the conjunction that appeared in the last 10 years paper. So now we are going to discuss about those conjunctions which appeared in the board for last 10 years. So they are neither, nor, to, so, that, as well as, although, then, due, unless, at, last, as soon as, by, in spite of, after, no sooner than, that, or which. So all these conjunctions have appeared again and again in the board exam. So you can prepare them accordingly to gain the better marks. And then we have to come over some difficulty. There are some general weakness which we have to overcome. So these are the these can be overcome by reading and listening to the spoken English and by practicing the exercises which are given in the various books. You can refer them and you can practice as much as you can for better performance. I hope you all like this video, and you can comment me in the inbox section, and also like and subscribe my videos so that I can make better videos for you in the coming time. Thank you.